Section 2.3, Outliers. An outlier is a very extreme score. Check for accuracy. Verify outliers. If outliers survive an accuracy check, they should be treated as a legitimate score. Might exclude from summaries. You can segregate outliers from data summaries. You can relegate it to a footnote or use median and interquartile range to ignore extreme scores. Might enhance understanding. Outliers can help understand the data. Section 2.4, Relative Frequency Distributions. A relative frequency distribution is a frequency distribution showing the frequency of each class as a fraction of the total frequency for the entire distribution. They allow us to focus on the relative concentration of observations among different classes within the same distribution. They are helpful when you must compare two or more distributions based on different total numbers of observation. Constructing relative frequency distribution. To convert a frequency distribution into a relative frequency distribution, divide the frequency for each class by the total frequency for the entire distribution. Percentages or proportions. Proportions always value between 0 and 1, whereas a percentage always varies from 0 and 100%. Multiply proportions by 100 to convert into percents. Section 2.5, Cumulative Frequency Distributions. A cumulative frequency distribution is a frequency distribution showing the total number of observations in each class and all lower ranked classes. This type of distribution is effective with sets of scores when relative standing within the distribution assumes primary importance. Cumulative frequencies converted to cumulative percentages are also known as percentile ranks. Constructing cumulative frequency distributions. To convert a frequency distribution into a cumulative frequency distribution, add to the frequency of each class the sum of the frequencies of all classes ranked below it. Cumulative percentiles. If relative standing within a distribution is particularly important, then cumulative frequencies are converted to cumulative percentages. Percentile ranks. Percentile rank of an observation is a percentage of scores in the entire distribution with equal or smaller values than that score. Approximate percentile ranks from group data. If we have access only to a frequency distribution for group data, cumulative percentages can be used to assign approximate percentile ranks. Section 2.6, Frequency Distributions for Qualitative Nominal Data. Construct frequency distributions with frequency of yes and no. Ordered qualitative data. When qualitative data has an ordinal level of measurement, observations can be ordered from least to most, and that order should be reserved in the frequency table and listed in descending order. Relative and cumulative distribution for qualitative data. If measurement is ordinal because observations can be ordered from least to most, cumulative frequencies can be used. If measurement is only nominal, cumulative frequency distribution is meaningless.